Welcome to my YouTube channel, Art of Knowledge. What was the profession of Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him? Tailor, shepherd, farmer, trader. Correct answer is trader. What was the profession of Prophet Sulaiman, peace be upon him? Merchant, king, farmer, shepherd. Correct answer is king. What was the profession of Prophet Yahya, peace be upon him? Teacher, merchant, farmer, preacher. Correct answer is preacher. What was the profession of Prophet Zachariah, peace be upon him? Carpenter, farmer, shepherd, priest. Correct answer is carpenter. What was the profession of Prophet Ayub, peace be upon him? Farmer, merchant, blacksmith, fisherman. Correct answer is farmer. Thanks for watching.